Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today in this session we are going to discuss about the Terraform. This is the first session for Terraform in this channel and I have mentioned everything in this blog. If you want to check out this blog, you can check that from this link which I will be keeping in the description box. So let's start now. In this session I am going to discuss what is the Terraform and Terraform terminologies. So Terraform, you all might have already known that it is an open source infrastructure as a code tool developed by HashiCorp. It enables you to define, provision, and manage your infrastructure as code using a declarative language. With Terraform, you can describe your infra in a high level configuration language and then use that configuration to create, modify, or delete infra resources in a consistent and repeatable way. Overall, Terraform is a powerful and flexible tool that enables you to manage your infra as code, providing a declarative, repeatable, and scalable way to manage infra resources across multiple cloud providers. So, as you all know, Terraform is a platform independent tool. So, if you compare this with AWS Cloud Formation or any other infra tool, that will be platform dependent, like they will be used only on AWS like cloud formation, but this is platform independent, means this can be used on any infra platform to create the any cloud platform to create the infrastructure. Okay, so next is the Terraform terminologies. Why do we use Terraform? So why do we use this? First, it is infra as a code. With Terraform, you can define your infra as a code, making it easier to manage and maintain your infra. Terraform provides you a declarative syntax that makes it easy to understand and modify the infra configuration easily. Next is multi-cloud support. As I have said, that it supports all the cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP, and many others. This means that you can use Terraform to manage infra across multiple cloud providers, which can be helpful if you have a multi-cloud strategy. So next is the version control. So Terraform configurations can be versioned using Git or other version control systems, allowing you to track changes and roll back to previous versions if necessary. So this is again another advantage of using the Terraform, because if you use versioning using Git or other version control systems, allowing you to track changes and roll back to previous versions if they are necessary. Consistency and repeatability. By using Terraform, you can ensure that your infra is consistent and repeatable. Terraform configurations can be applied to new environments with the minimal modification, making it easy to deploy infra to multiple environments. So collaboration, Terraform supports collaboration between multiple teams and individuals working on the same infra. You all might have know about the collaboration, so it supports the collaborations also. Terraform configurations can be shared via control systems, making it easier to collaborate and work together. Overall, Terraform provides an efficient way to manage and provision infra resources, enabling organizations to move faster and achieve greater consistency and repeatability. So, by checking all of this, you might have got what is infra as a code. So, infra as a code is an approach to managing IT infra resources in a declarative manner using machine readable definition files instead of manual process. It involves using code to define and automate the deployment, configuration, and management of infrastructure. Resources such as virtual machines, network, storage, and applications, all of these can be created using the Terraform. Okay, and what is a resource? Resource is a single entity in your infrastructure so that you want to manage using Terraform. It could be virtual machine or a database or a network interface or any other component that you want to provision, configure or manage. A resource is defined using a Terraform configuration block that specifies the resource type, attributes and dependencies. Next is what is a provider? Provider is nothing but on which platform you are doing this infra, from where you are taking this infra resources from. So that is nothing but AWS, Azure and Google Cloud Platform or any other cloud platform that you might be using. Providers are responsible for communicating with the underlying API of the infra or service and exposing the necessary resources and operations onto Terraform. Next, what is the state file? So, the state file plays an important role. The state file is a JSON file that keeps track of the current state of your infra as defined by the Terraform configuration. The state file contains information about the resources you have created and their configuration and any dependencies between them. It also tracks metadata such as unique identifiers, timeouts, and other properties that Terraform uses to manage the resources. So the state file is a critical component of Terraform as it enables Terraform to know that resources are currently deployed, what changes have been made, and what changes are still needed to reach the desired state defined in your Terraform configuration. This allows Terraform to manage your infra safely and predictably. So, and what is the desired and the current state? In Terraform, the desired state is the state of your infra that you define in your Terraform configuration files. It represents how you want your infra to be configured, including the what resources should exist, their attributes and any dependencies between them. And the current state, on the other hand, is the actual state of your infra as it exists in the real world. It represents the current state of the resources that have been created and their attributes, any dependencies between them. Okay, so that's all for today. Please watch the coming sessions also. All of them are based on the Terraform, how we use that and how we create infra by using the Terraform. All of this I'm going to explain in the next session. So please do watch the videos. Thanks. Thank you for watching.